Hey you guys, we're going to start off with the e.l.f. matte putty primer. Then I'm going to blend that all out with my hands. After this, we're going to go in with the LA Girl Toast Concealer. The shade is Toast, just in case you were confused. Then after that, I'm going to go in with my foundation. And I do set my foundation with a setting spray before blending it out. Make sure that you are patting and not swiping. Swiping leaves lines in your face. When patting, this literally dabs it into your skin. I'll also set my concealer and let it sit before I blend it out as well. I'm going to put under my eyes. I'm going to use the Soft Accent brush by Real Techniques. And I'm going to blend all that out. And then for my eyelids, I like to use this brush that I got from AOA Studio, which is a part of the shopmissa.com website. I do go in with my foundation brush once I do finish blending under my eyes, and I blend out the hard edges. I'm going to use two powders to set under my eyes. The Maybelline Fit Me in medium, and the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade golden. Then I'm using the powder puff for the loose powder, and the Real Techniques setting brush for the pressed powder. So I'm just saying you can either rub it on your hand or blow on it before blending it. Do not just dip the pad into the powder puff into the powder and put it on your face. It's going to be too much product. So yeah, I'm just going to set under my eyes, and I also use this same powder to set my eyelids anytime I am putting on concealer on my eyelids. And I'm going to set it on down my nose. Then I'm going to go in with the NYX golden powder, the Can't Stop Won't Stop pressed powder. And I'm going to do the same thing all over my face. I'm going to set my eyes. I'm going to set under my eyes. And I'm going to set above my lip and like under my nose right there where I put the concealer at. I'm going to set that as well. Yes, I am talking in this video because I was going to do a talk through, but the sound just wasn't good enough for me. So I said, you know what? We're just going to do a voiceover. That'll be a little bit better. I was talking a lot in this video. Like, this video was 30 minutes long. Now I'm going to use the infallible powder in the shade Deep Amber. And I like to set right in between where you can see the line of my foundation and my concealer. So I'm setting my whole face now. I also use the same powder and this angle brush by AOA to contour, quote unquote. I don't use regular contour to contour my nose. I just use my foundation powder because I feel like it's better. Now we're going to use bronzer. It's the infallible bronzer in the shade 550 Deep Dark. And now I'm going to use these same powders for quote-unquote eyeshadow. I put the bronzer on first. That's how it looks by itself. Then I go in with the foundation powder on top of it, or above it, I should say. I set my face with the NYX dewy setting spray like I was doing with everything else. That's it. Get real soaked in. Now I'm going to use the Juvias Place Toby blush. That's in the Sahara the Sahara Volume 1 blush palette. I put on my nose. Then I'm going to go in with Zara from that same palette and E-Thick from the Culture palette and use it for a highlighter. Now I'm going to set my face with the Makeup Revolution Fixing Spray. My lashes are from AliExpress. And now, this is the final look. I did record my lips separate, so that'll be a different video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this was a good enough tutorial for you to follow step by step. And let me know if there's any other looks for me to do. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.